Step into the future of language education with Q8 Metaverse. Immerse yourself in a virtual world designed to elevate your English proficiency. Begin your journey by logging into Q8 Metaverse. Take a quick level assessment to tailor your language learning experience. Receive instant results and personalized feedback. Q8 Metaverse ensures a unique learning path for every user. No more waiting. Take the IELTS exam on your terms. Thanks to artificial intelligence, get quick and accurate results in the Q8 Metaverse. Challenge yourself with various sections: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Master each skill at your own pace within Q8 Metaverse. Enhance your vocabulary with daily exercises tailored for Q8 Metaverse. Learn new words and seamlessly apply them in your exams. Track your progress effortlessly with the Q8 Metaverse app and control panel. Comprehensive insights into your tests, results, and areas for improvement. Utilize the power of AI for personalized study sessions within Q8 Metaverse. Dive into exploration at any time, tapping into a vast wealth of information. Choose from a variety of immersive learning environments within Q8 Metaverse. Experience dynamic scenarios, engage in movement, and interact with AI to enhance your vocabulary. Q8 Metaverse is more than an exam prep tool. Immerse yourself in interactive English lessons with virtual teachers connected to AI, making learning engaging and effective. Get a complete analysis of your performance on the Q8 Metaverse control panel. Understand your strengths and weaknesses to tailor your learning journey.